G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing for a Quickie. We take a quick look at trading the awesome Oscillator share trading strategy. So we enter the trade when the awesome Oscillator breaks above zero. You can see there just on that little bar there, it's a bit hard to see. We enter the trade on the close. What we look for is to close a trade when a 5% gain is made. So this, I've drawn a little ruler here, 5% from the close. So we go long, enter the trade, the price goes a bit sideways for a moment, then it starts making some upward movement, which is what we want, and it finally ends up closing above 5%. We don't care what the awesome Oscillator does after the open, we simply want to get a 5% gain, so we close the trade there. Let's not be greedy, take out the 5% and go look for another trade. This example demonstrates the average down approach. So I've drawn a ruler here from the open. So here again, the awesome Oscillator breaks above zero. We enter the trade, go long. Now in this case, the price goes against us and it drops. Now we don't do, the first parameter we look for is the price has got to drop by more than 5%, which it has in this case. The second parameter is when the awesome Oscillator breaks above zero again. So it does it back here, and that's where we enter another lot of shares. So had the awesome Oscillator broken above somewhere in this area, we would have entered another lot of shares here. But in this example, it kept going down. So we'll let it keep going down until the awesome Oscillator breaks above zero. Into the second lot of shares. And what we find now is the average price will no longer be up at this level. It'll be somewhere in the middle here between that opening and that opening. So it'll be somewhere probably around this area. So what we then do is we look for another 5% gain from that average price, and that happens to be at this point there, and that closes out those two positions there. Here are the trading rules for the awesome Oscillator. Entry is made when the awesome Oscillator crosses over the zero line. Exit when the price gains at least 5%. We average down when the share price drops by at least 5% and the awesome Oscillator crosses over the zero line again. Note, the awesome Oscillator is standard in most charting software trading platforms. I try to use a very basic entry and exit techniques so you don't have to develop or follow any complex strategies. To view the full analysis of this strategy and more on Pete's Investing channel, click on the link in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.